What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Happy iOS 27 launch week, and as you guys would expect, we have a ton of features to spotlight in the new OS, and today's is going to be surrounding the new Siri, but specifically the Split My Bill feature in the new camera app. Under that new Siri mode, you can do it one of two ways: activating it in the camera app or using your control button on the right side, the camera control. Either way, it'll do the same thing. But I actually just went to Chick-fil-A yesterday in Jacksonville, and I want to show you how easy this is to do. I can see where it's going to come in handy for a lot of people. What you're going to want is to pull up your receipt, and you're going to hover your phone over the bill. And what it's going to do is give you that option right at the bottom to split bill with Apple Cash. So I'm going to go ahead, click that. It'll scan your receipt, pull up your wallet app, and then say split bill for Chick-fil-A. You can request or pay your share. I'm going to hit pay my share, select who I want to send it to, and you can see it actually pulled up the entirety of the order, including the free item. So for instance, if you needed to pay for just one of these chicken nugget meals or half, you can do that. Let's just say we need 2 of these Chick-fil-A sauces, which had no charge. You could see my portion so far would be $27.66 plus the 7.5% tax that it read on the receipt, and giving me a total of $29.74 to send. And you can literally just hit pay that amount to the person you need, or tweak it as you want. Half of that. Now our amount's changed. Unselect this, unselect that, just one item. And it's really that easy. And it's crazy how accurate it is. So if you select everything that was on here that had a charge, you can see the total was $40.11. If you go back down to the actual receipt, you can see it reads $40.11. It is perfect. So the way this is actually inputting and computing the data is very good, very accurate, and I have not seen any issue where it was not perfectly fine to use and work with. Let me go back to Siri mode. And you can see every time it knows you're looking at a receipt and it's saying split bill. So it's one of those fun, cool new features in iOS 27 that I do think a lot of people will like. I think it's actually probably one of the more useful Siri features as well. But then also, if you look at your new Siri app, you have a couple of different options to see everything you need for the layout, your grid, recalling conversations. I have had good experience holistically with the new Siri. While it has been weird, the actual design language not reading while you're speaking or being spoken to, I do think that Siri's on the right track for just the first beta of iOS 27, and it should be good to go probably around beta 3. But we all know how Apple is. We know how these betas go. I think one of the more frustrating aspects is if you actually launch the new Siri and you can see everything's listening perfectly fine, sometimes when you get your response back, this app freezes. And having been in beta for so long, not only is Siri still in beta, but it is just not getting clean and simple functions yet. That's a little frustrating and concerning, but it is what it is right now. Just wanted to call that out and let you guys know. What do you think? From the keynote, from getting hands-on with WWDC and iOS 27, what is your thoughts on the new Siri and the update as a whole? Comment down below, let me know what you think, and we will catch you in the next one. Peace.